Hello everybody, this is the Avid Gadgeteer. I thought I will share a couple of things that I ordered from Dell.com for my Alienware battle station or stations. Um, I have my Alienware M15R5 coming in and then my Alienware X17 R1. So I was just preparing for that and ordered a couple of things. Once I get both of those battle stations or gaming laptops, I'll make sure that I'll do a comparison, unboxing, and kind of understanding and appreciating what you can get from a base model of an M15R5, which literally is $1,000 with the July Black Friday kind of sales that Dell was having, versus X17, which is maxed out. But till the time I get those, I ordered a couple of other Alienware goodies to prepare. So let's start with the first one that I've got here, which is the Alienware Tact S mouse mat, which is 35 centimeter by 25 centimeter. I have got another one of this, and to be honest, I've had a good experience with these mouse mats. So let's see how the product is packaged. By the way, shout out to Dell. Whatever we say about the company, but one thing is for sure, their shipping, at least for the products that they have in stock, is quite prompt. So this is the mouse mat. Let's take it out, and this is it. The quality, very good, very thick. Material has got the exact amount of necessary friction that you need for a mouse, especially gaming mice, so that is not an issue. I like the honeycomb pattern here. It's not too overdone. It has an Alienware logo at the bottom left, the honeycomb pattern, that's about it. It's black. It should be easily washable. Obviously I would say wash it by hand, do not machine wash it, and especially do not dry it. You don't want to heat it up because it's made out of synthetic material with a rubberized back. It is quite, from a weight standpoint, it's not all flimsy, it's quite heavy, and overall I would say decent product. Comes in this box with the typical Alienware alien head, and its actual name is the Alienware Gaming Hex mousepad, black in color, and this is product number 1. Now let's move to the next product. So let's keep this open, and then let's bring up the next one. So this is a Alienware 610M wired or wireless gaming mouse. I have got another one of this. No regrets. You can control the lighting from the Alienware command center, but this is focusing on the unboxing. So let's see the packaging. Alienware 610M, written in the stylized Alienware lettering. Couple of features: ergonomic form factor, 350 hours battery life, which I can attest is quite long. Dual mode wired or wireless. I've used it both ways. Adjustable scroll wheel, you can adjust it from basically there is at the bottom of the mouse there is a toggle, and then you can control the DPI from within Alienware command center. 16,000 DPI, interacts with the command center, RGB coloring, and then 7 programmable buttons, fully programmable buttons, and then the cable is braided, and I quite like that. So well, I don't need to use my trusty kitchen knife, only the best for you all. I can just pull the tab, open it up, and this is the mouse, nicely presented as you open it. And this is the dark side of the moon color. You know what, this is not bad at all. I mean, with the black packaging, it really looks very nicely presented. When you take it out, you've got the wireless, the dongle that you can essentially plug into your laptop or desktop to control the mouse. And then let's see what else comes underneath it. This is your Alienware reading material. If you're not feeling sleepy, I would highly recommend reading this. Might help you going off to sleep. But it's got the regular warranty, safety, environmental and regulatory information. And then what else? You've got an adapter here. You've got the braided cable. I really like the braided cable. So when you want to use it in a wireless manner, you put the cable here. So you pop this one here inside. You put the wireless dongle here, and then essentially you can use this rather than popping the wireless dongle, which is this one, into the computer. So that way, when you want to charge the mouse, the only thing that you have to do essentially is that basically the wireless dongle remains here, but you just connect it, and then you connect this to the desktop or the laptop. And then when you want to charge the mouse directly, disconnect it, put this USB cable directly here, and you can charge the mouse. So that's about it. Braided cable, good in quality, lasts a long time. My last mouse is a couple of months old, no wear and tear whatsoever. So definitely can attest to the quality. So let's put things back as they came, because obviously I won't need it right away. I am waiting for my laptops to come, and essentially this is how it came in. Let's put it back in the box. So this is the Alienware 610M. Okay, now let's, oh, I forgot the packaging. Well, anyways, this is the final product, the Alienware 510H 7.1 gaming headset. This is wired, not wireless. It is Discord certified, high resolution audio, Send.1 channel surround sound, and apparently this box seems to be open, but this seems to be untouched, no fingerprints, etc. But the packaging is again pretty smart. I like the Velcro tabs here to make sure that the headset doesn't move around. So you just take out the Velcro here and here, and then you've got the headset. And then below it would be the wires. Now there'll be two cables that come through with the headset. Oh wow. The cables are missing. Oh, the cables come here. For a second I thought that the cables are missing. Okay, so one is for a phone. You can connect this 3.5mm jack either directly to the laptop or the desktop, or you can also use it with your phone. Or no, this is your phone cable, right? Yep, this is your phone cable. This is your desktop or laptop cable. Connect the 3.5mm cable here, connect this to the computer, and then this is for controlling your phone. And essentially, when I say controlling, I mean connecting to your phone. So connect one end to your phone's 3.5mm jack or through a necessary adapter. Connect this to the headset, and regular wheel for controlling the volume, mute, unmute. And the same thing here, up and down volume increase, mute, you see this red line, and unmute. Okay, so these are the three products that I got. Pretty decent products. I can attest to the quality because I already have used each one of these. And even though this looks a little clunky, but this is, I can say for sure, as compared to the Lunar White, or the Lunar Light as the color is called, I believe, the dark side of the moon is much more understated. So you can also use it in Zoom calls, that I wouldn't recommend it, especially if you are in a professional setting. But yes, these are the three products that I ordered in preparation for receiving my Alienware laptop. And once I receive the laptop, I'll definitely do an unboxing to give you an idea of what comes through, and then a comparison between a base Ryzen and the top end king of the hill or queen of the hill Alienware laptop, which is the X17, which is maxed out from RAM to the processor to the graphics card to even the hard drive space. So those are things I wanted to share, folks. Thank you so much.